Alright guys, we're going to go through how to use Notability to edit a PDF document through Google Classroom, or then upload it to Google Classroom. So first things first, go to Google Classroom. I'm sure this goes without saying, but when you're on a computer, please make sure you're using your student Gmail account. Okay, anywho, go to classes. If you're not already there, go to classes. Okay, I'm already here. But anyways, okay, find whatever class period you have me. I'm going to use this test class for the purposes of this tutorial. Okay, I told you guys before, don't use the stream unless you know exactly where the assignment is. I would go to classwork instead and then find it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and select the one I'm going to use as my example, which is proofs. Okay, so now I'm going to hit the bottom arrow and this pops up. So I see the attachment with my name. This is my copy of this assignment. When I give you guys an assignment, usually I give you your own special copy of it. All right, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, so now I can edit this in the Google Classroom app by using the little pencil in the upper right hand corner. That's not a very efficient method though. Google Classroom has a bad habit of messing things up and not saving it and doing all these other weird things. So I would suggest that you export it to Notability. So to do that, we're actually going to hit the box with the little arrow next to the pencil. All right, so now we see it here, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and press the home button and I'm gonna look for the Notability app, which is a little pencil microphone situation. All right, so now I'm here, everything's looking good. One thing I need to double check though before I go on is to hit the settings button at the bottom left corner of your screen. It looks like a little wheel or a gear. And I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that I am properly logged into Google Drive. So I know it says log out. I'm gonna hit log out just to double check. Okay, I'm gonna log back in. And okay, make sure that your student account is the one that you select. Always want your student account. Allow. Okay, now we're good to go. Hit close. Now we're going to download the document by pressing the little box with the down arrow in the upper right hand corner. Google Drive, Classroom. Now look for your class period. Again, I'm going to use tests for the purposes of this tutorial. And then look for the assignment that you need. And create new note. Import. Open. And there's your document. So now you can make all kinds of edits and changes to your documents. So I'm going to go ahead and make an edit. Okay. Just put my name or something, my initials, whatever. Okay, just something little. All right, so you've made all the changes you need to make. You're ready to turn in your work. Now we're going to upload it back to Google Classroom. So I'm going to press the box with the little up arrow in the left-hand upper corner of your screen. Google Drive, folder, Classroom. Look for your class period. And then you're going to hit export to whatever class period it said. And send to Google Drive, the blue button at the bottom. All right, so we should be all done here. So I'm gonna go back over to the Google Classroom, X out of this, press the attachment again, and voila, there are the changes that you just made. Great. All right, so, I forgot something. Crap, before I turn this in, I wanna make another change. Okay, no big deal. I'm gonna go back over to Notability. I'm gonna make a different change this time, okay? Oh, I fixed that problem, looking great. So now I'm gonna go through the same steps. Hit the upload button, Google Drive, and it should already say whatever folder you need it to go to, but if not, do the same thing, folder, classroom, look for your class, export, send. All right, now go back over to Google Classroom, hit the X button, X out of that, press it again. Boom, more changes, great. So you can do this as many times as you need to. All right, well, I'm done now. I can turn it in. I'm gonna turn it in. Great. Oh man, Miss E told us something in class. I messed up on number 2. Let me go back and fix it. Okay, let me just go back over here real quick. Make some changes to number 2, blah, 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 blah. All right, great, ready now. Okay, let me go ahead and turn it back in. Upload Google Drive, send to Google Drive, great. Error? Oh no, what happened? Okay, let me tell you what happened. If you have already turned it in, then it's not going to let you make changes. So if you need to make changes after you've turned it in, you need to hit unsubmit. Then you can go back, upload it, and your changes should be there. So let's take a look. They are. Okay, so that's all you need to know, and then just turn it back in when you're ready. Okay, I don't know if you can unsubmit after it's due. I think I have to return it to you. I'm not sure about that, but regardless, this is all you need to know. I do believe. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.